Back here we see the R44 workshop. Finally, we have some spoiler options for you G81 M3 owners. So we have it's a two-piece kit sold separately. So it's either if you want to go full on aggressive or go lower or top. So we've got a top spoiler here. They're made out of full pre-preg carbon fiber, super lightweight. The weave is just beautiful throughout. I've even spec'd this one because I've actually got a carbon roof on mine. So I was very particular with the weave direction. So we made sure the weave on this car, everything has to follow. So the weave follows throughout through the carbon roof. But if you don't have a carbon roof, either way it will match. But anyways, top spoiler, and then you have a bottom spoiler that goes along there like so. Pretty nice. I'm actually only going to run the top on mine, just personal preference. Just the way that this car's built, I quite like it. I just want to follow the roof look on, and then probably in the near future I'll put this on. But for now, I'm going to run them, but I'll install both today on the video to show you guys how to do it and what they look like overall. So yeah, anyways, let's find me at the back of the car. So inside your package, of course, you'll get some 3M wipes. So you just open that up like so. It's gonna be nice and juicy. Ooh, yeah. Now, wow, I just went through my paint. And that wasn't just adhesive. So be very careful when you go through the spoiler. The paint on the top of this spoiler is very soft. So go like so. All contact areas down the side, along the top and along this top. Make sure you give it a good wiping. Wow. So yeah. All right, so what we like to do is peel off either side. Well, the sides I peel off first. The longer parts I peel, but leave some like about 3 centimeters hanging out. Get it into position. Because the sides are already loose, don't push down. What you want to do, focus primarily on the side and then start going along this edge. The back side, not so much of a problem. Just make sure it's pushed up against it. But as long as you get this in nice, it's quite a fiddly one. So just make sure it's in there. Start working it around, checking each side. Make sure it's on the car nicely, like so. Make sure the back, and just keep checking everything. You wanna make sure it's fitted perfectly because this tape's pretty good. So just like that. Start peeling a little bit on the back. Nice. We're now going to install the lower rear spoiler. It's quite nice actually putting it up to the car. So it's super simple to install. Same process, take the sides off, leave a little bit hanging off. I'm not going to install this fully because I'm going to run just the top for a bit, get some photos of that, and then run the full setup in the future. Start with one side, feel on the other side. You'll see that if you go tight up here, there's a little bit of a gap. So what you need to do is then equal it out. You can do it with some masking tape. Always helps when you have a friend. So just like that, and I think make it nice and tight on the top side. That's near on perfect. So we'll do that like so. And then, yeah, wow, actually it does look pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's been a pleasure. This one was a very quick one. We just wanted to get these on. We're actually heading over to Germany to a big event called To Hell. But anyways, yeah, we're heading out now. Hope you enjoyed this. We've just debuted the new top spoiler, the bottom spoiler. They look good. They've got a good warranty. That is the main thing. But yeah, as always, go check out those other videos. We're up to some crazy stuff this summer. And yeah, let's go jump into touring and get to Germany.